Okay, I'm going to show you how to change out your string on your Ego trimmer. Alright, see these two spots here pushed in on them? Okay, this comes off. Oh. For some reason I had string in here, but it wasn't coming out. Okay. Anyway, that's how you would take it off and make sure you have all your string out. Okay. I pull them. So now I just took the string out just to show you. Now you pop this back on. Okay, pop that back on. Get your string. Okay, starts to work its way through. Comes out here. Bring it till it's even. Okay, now turn it over. Push the button. Whoop. Whenever you do it, have your battery out. I had it out. Now I'm going to put the battery in. Okay, now she's ready to go. That's it. Building with Papa. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Give me a thumbs up. See you on the next one.